Let's talk mortgage basics, maybe the most basic, such as what is a mortgage anyway? A mortgage is a loan on a house, and the lender agrees to give you a loan with the house as a collateral. And this kind of sounds bad because if you don't make your payments, the lender can take the house. But it's actually a good thing because the lender can issue that loan at a very low rate compared to, say, a credit card interest rate because it has that collateral. So though there's some extra risk there, the lender can take your house, you get a much better deal than most other loans. Are there different types of mortgages? Yes. Most people think of a conventional mortgage, which is just like the standard 20% down, non-government backed type of mortgage, but there are actually some government backed loans that are very good, like an FHA loan or a Veterans Administration loan. And it depends on your credit profile, your income, some various factors, but some of these government programs are much more lenient than conventional. So don't think that a conventional loan is your only way to go. There's also fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages. Adjustable rate mortgages can save you some money potentially because they can come with a lower interest rate for the first 3 to 5 years. However, lately they haven't been that good of a deal, so most people just get a fixed rate loan. So who can get a mortgage? Well, technically anybody 18 and over can get a mortgage legally if they qualify for the loan, as long as they're a U.S. citizen or another qualified status. They just have to make enough money and have enough closing costs and have steady enough employment to qualify for the loan and meet other lender qualifications, and they can buy a house. How long do mortgages last? Well, the vast majority of mortgages are 30-year loans. There are some 20 years, 15 years, 25 years. They come in lots of varieties. Some lenders will even let you choose anything from like 5 to 30 years, depending on your budget. But most people, especially first-time buyers, will just get the standard fixed 30-year loan. How large of a mortgage can you get? Well, a lender is going to take a look at your income, your debts, and figure out the maximum that you can qualify for. Doesn't mean you have to use that much, but when you go to buy a house, that's the maximum that you're going to be able to get based on all those factors. Lastly, how do you get a mortgage? Well, you got to talk to a lender, and they have to run your numbers and figure out what you qualify for and get you a pre-approval, and then you find that home. Remember how we talked about the home as a collateral? So then you got to go find that home, make an offer, get an accepted offer, then that lender will issue that mortgage, and then you start making payments and you're a homeowner.